Hey, Nigel Moore here. Now, one of the things that we originally launched when we first launched the Tech Tribe way back in 2017 was some ticket email templates. So we all know that our PSA systems, or the standard PSA systems in our MSP industry, have very horribly worded default ticket notification based emails, like sending the notification that sends to a client saying, hey, we've received your ticket, and when you close a ticket and when you're waiting on a client and whatnot. And so one of the very first resources we launched was a couple of just nicely worded, like human personalization worded notification replacements in there, and we left them in there for ages. And then when we did a redesign to the tribal library maybe 8 months ago or something, the templates actually didn't fit inside the new system that we used because of a technical limitation, and so we didn't upload them. And I actually didn't think, or we didn't re-upload them, so I actually didn't think anybody was using them until we started getting email support requests on our help desk thing saying, hey, we're looking for those awesome ticket email templates because we use them in our MSP, and we wanted to go and grab them again just to tweak some of the stuff from the original ones in there. And we got a number of those things, and we went, people must be using these. So we've just gone and relaunched them all again. There's 6 emails in there. There's a new ticket received email template, a waiting on client reminder 1, waiting on client reminder 2, waiting on client reminder 3, just to give friendly nudges and warm, friendly touches to your clients when you're waiting on more details from them for a particular ticket, as well as 2 closure emails in here, one where you're asking for a survey and one where you're not asking for a survey. And they look like this. They're nice and casually worded, and they're very, very simple to just replace your default ones that, as I said at the beginning, they typically look scrappy and crappy, and they're worded to sound like a machine in technobabble enterprise land, which is what you don't want to give to your clients. You don't want to sound like a corporate babble speak out to your clients. So go and grab these. They're inside the Tech Tribe portal. You can go and search for email scripts, and you will find them all in there. There's 6 of them. Copy and paste them in. Tweak them to your wording, like we've tweak them to whatever you need to do in there. As with everything in the Tech Tribe, our goal is to do 80 to 95% of the work for you, so that then you only need to do the final 5 to 15%, just doing a few minor tweaks in there. So enjoy. They're in there right now. I'm sure a few more of you may go and use them now that you know that they're there, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.